Hi, this is Franco from Wisdify and welcome to Excel Quick Tips. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create custom error and input messages in Excel so that when you're collaborating with your teammates on a file, they know exactly what kind of data you need them to fill out and how they need to fill that data out. Now, if you're looking at my screen, okay, we have the data validation on no duplicates allowed, right? So now I tried to put in a duplicate and I have a very generic message. So it just says this value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. If I wasn't the person who made the data validations for this file, I would be really confused. I'd need to ask, what's wrong, right? What about the data validation did I not meet? We don't want that to happen, especially if we're creating Excel files for multiple users. You don't want multiple people coming up to you, messaging you. So instead of having multiple people filling up your inbox with questions as to what is wrong, right? What you want to do is you go back to your validation. It should still be here. And now you have a way to put in an input message. Basically, you can say something like transaction ID. Please make sure that there are no duplicate transaction IDs. Right? So we can place an input message. And once we do that, what are we looking at? Every time that you select transaction ID before you put another entry, it's going to give you this message. Please make sure that there are no duplicate transaction IDs. From there alone, you're helping your users out to make sure that everyone understands what they need to do when it comes to filling out this column. But if that's not enough, and there really are some teammates that ignore the input message, try to make a duplicate transaction ID anyways, what can we do? So we can actually add a custom error alert. We can label this as duplicate detected, and we can say, please make sure no duplicate transaction IDs were entered, right? So we're good with that. And let's say he clicks beyond the table. He doesn't see the input message. It's still fine. So he tries to enter a duplicate and he gets the custom error message. Okay? So this is a really great way to make sure that everyone that's using the file that you made is on the same page with you. Before they even enter, they have instructions. And when they do end up making an error or bypassing the data validation, they get told what they did wrong and how they can do it better. Okay? So I hope this video helped you. Again, this is Franco with Wisdify, and thank you for watching Excel Quick Tips. If you want to get even better at Excel, please make sure to check out our other videos.